Now, as you guys can probably tell from this nice looking box, this is a collaboration between Adidas, you have the 3 stripes, and Star Wars. Yes, to all of you Star Wars fans out there, this is the Adidas Star Wars Luke Skywalker Stan Smith. We will unbox it, put it on feet, check it out. It's going to be fun. Let's go. By the way, wristwatch check of the day, we have the Seiko limited edition Gundam Char Zaku. So if you're a Gundam fan, wow, we're all geek in this particular episode. But yeah, love this watch, one of my favorite watches, limited to, I think, to 1,000 pieces. I'm in the process of collecting the entire Gundam Seiko collection. Hopefully, within the next few days, we get to complete the trio. But anyway, let's get to the unboxing. Let's jump right into it. First thing I just have to point out is the ingenious way that they did the box. Now, remember those toys that you would buy in toy shops? They would have this hole over here, like that extra tab. So, pwede siyang isabit dun sa rack. That's the box that you get with this particular shoe. So, it literally looks like some sort of cross between a toy box and a shoe box. And you have the 3 stripes emblazoned at the top. You have the stars spread throughout the entire box. On the side, you have the Adidas and the Star Wars logo. Shiny, 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 both over here. If you take a look at the tag, it says over here, usually Stan Smiths are a bit big, so you might want to consider going either a half size down if you're buying one. Now, if we pop this box open, I'm super excited for this because the moment I saw it in pictures, I knew that I just had to get one. Now, please do take note that I think that this shoe will appeal primarily to Star Wars fans. If you are not a Star Wars fan, you will probably think that it is badui, it is childish, but who cares? This is for the people who love Star Wars, okay? Like me, okay? So, boom! Take a look at that. So you have some sort of like canvas upper. You have 3 stripes in dots, so it's like dotted, but it becomes really fun if you take a look at first. Over here, you have Luke with his lightsaber. His name is also written at the back, Luke over there. And then if you take a look at the bottom, it says no. No! That's the same scene wherein Darth Vader revealed to Luke Skywalker that he was his father. And this was the reaction of Luke. Now, what makes the sneaker even more fun are the doubrets. So those who don't know what doubrets are, those are the metallic things that you see in the laces. And you have Star Wars as the default doubret. So Star over here, Wars over on the other side. But it does come with a bunch of really nice looking doubrets. You have R2-D2, you have the X-Wing, you have some sort of lightsaber, and then of course you have Yoda. So you can actually switch it up. You can put R2-D2 and then maybe Yoda, or the X-Wing and then the lightsaber on either part of the sneaker. It looks really nice in my opinion. Again, for the Star Wars fans, it's cool, but for those who are not fans, probably thinking, what? Childish? Whatever. It's nice. It's fun. Walang basagan ng trip. By the way, I forgot to mention, I mentioned that Luke was here. The other sneaker actually has Skywalker written as well. And you have the logo, I think this is the logo of the Resistance or the Rebellion, which is also over here, side by side with the Adidas logo. One thing that I almost missed, if you take a look at the side of the slide out box, it says over here, "May the Force be with you," in that similar crawler text that you see in the intro of every Star Wars movie. It's a really nice fan service, nice added touch. How is the shoe on feet? Now, obviously, I haven't tried it on, but I will be trying it on because I'm about to go out on our usual walk with my wife. So we try to get in like 8,000 to 10,000 steps every day, and usually during the evenings when there aren't a lot of people anymore, and just before it hits the curfew, we go out and take a couple of steps, walk around the mall. It's practically deserted, so it's pretty safe. So I'll be taking the shoe along with me. I'll be breaking it in, and then I'll get back to you guys afterwards on how the overall feel is of the shoe. Hopefully it's comfortable. I mean, it looks comfortable. I like the fact that the canvas upper is not, it looks more flexible and breathable compared to the typical leather of the Stan Smith. But yeah, let's figure it out. Let's find out after we put it on feet and try it out. I'll see you guys in a bit. I'll just get in a couple of thousand steps, and then I'll get back to you and report back on the shoe. Still have a bunch of sneakers to unbox. So this one, those sneakers over there, pati ito. So madami-dami pa tayong content in the next few weeks, no? So just make sure that you guys keep watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe now. And with that said, let's go do our walk. You know, Luke Skywalker Stan Smith collab with Adidas. Dusty. Oh, say hi to the vlog. Wait, no, cute. So we're here in V Mall. So this is Theater Mall. Babe, hi ka naman sa vlog. You know. So it's practically deserted. Even the parking lot, walang tao. And before lockdown, before COVID, even at this time, it's still kind of early. Even later than this, there would be a lot of people up and about. You'd have the merchants over here. Diyan nagbibenta ng mga fake shoes, mga fake Jordans, fake Yeezys. Ngayon, wala talagang tao. Deserted. Grabe. Paano kaya babawi mga negosyo from this? Shoutout sa lahat ng mga my childhood memories sa tropical hut. Thumbs up. Na, nagpapakita na siya. Whew, okay, and we're back. So as you guys saw, we clocked in 10,000 steps for the day. Achievement unlocked, yay! So now let's talk about the sneaker. Now, how does it feel on feet? Well, in terms of like cushioning, it feels like pretty much your typical Stan Smith. I think the biggest difference is that the upper is not as constricting. It's a little bit more flexible and breathable because it doesn't use like the leather that the original Stan Smith uses. So having said that, well, it is comfortable, but it is no running sneaker comfort. You get what I mean, right? So it's your typical white leather shoe that's a little bit more comfortable because it's not, well, made out of leather. Now, like what I mentioned earlier, ultimately the sneaker design-wise is really for Star Wars fans. So if you are a die-hard Star Wars fan and you love, you know, the ethos, the characters, the story, especially of the older generation of Star Wars, not the new one. Me, I'm not a fan of the new Star Wars series with Rey and everybody else. I'm more of the, you know, the first generation with Luke, Darth Vader, and Leia and Yoda. Then you might want to consider this purchase. Now, if you want something more comfortable, they also released the Adidas Ultra Boost in this collaboration featuring Princess Leia. It's a triple white number, and we also have Yoda in some sort of like forest green. They also have an NMD Stormtrooper, and you can actually buy all of the sneakers, including the Stan Smith that I just showed you, at Lazada. You heard me right. The Adidas shop at Lazada is official and legit. Just make sure that it is the official Adidas Lazada shop. I'll link down below to the different sneakers from this collaboration so that if you guys want to pick one up, it's as easy as clicking down below and adding to cart. O nga pala, kung nagtataka kayo kung sino nanalo ng Oswego, I actually announced it in yesterday's vlog. So watch the video where I talked about and unboxed the Sean Wotherspoon Atmos A6 Gel Light 3 collaboration. The announcement to the winner of the Adidas Pusha T Oswego is there. And that's actually it for our vlog for today. I hope you guys are okay. I hope you're all fine. And as usual, this is Carlo signing out. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.